sound is about U sounds ah. U sounds ah. Ah, ah, ah. Let's see, I have only a few objects inside here. Let's see, only a few. Maybe you can add some more. This is the uppercase of U sounds ah, and this one is the lowercase. And for the object, I have here, this is called an umpire. Umpire is a person who control the, like a soccer or like a game. It's called umpire. Then he will give score for the winner. And next we have umbrella. Umbrella, umbrella, ah, ah, ah. Umbrella, umbrella, ah, ah, ah. I only have those objects. How about you? Can you add some more objects for beginning sounds ah? Thank you.